Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you coastal brinjal curry. To begin with, we need 4 brinjal, and on this plate I have 1 cup coconut, 1 medium sized onion, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon saunf, 3 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies, 4 peppercorns, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 cloves, half-inch ginger. Apart from this, we also need large tomato, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon oil and tiny tamarind ball. You can make a note of this list. And what you would have to do, you have to first cut the onion into 1/4 and 3/4 size. Dice the 1/4 onion in thinly and then use the rest to the mixture that we are going to make paste. In this vessel, I have the 3/4 onion, green chili, jeera, saunf, garlic cloves, peppercorns, clove, and 1/2 inch ginger as well. I'm going to make sure I'm going to dry it, or rather dry roast it mildly until the raw edginess leaves it. And when I know it's almost there, that's when I'm going to add another 2 ingredients, right? Roasting it actually enhances the taste, guys. Go ahead and try it. Do not skip this particular step. So once you feel it's almost dry, that's when you add the coconut, 1 cup of coconut that I showed initially, and then make sure you also roast it until the moisture from the coconut evaporates and it's almost dry, right? When it's almost going to dry, that's when you're going to go ahead and add turmeric and saute it a little until you get a beautiful aroma and you find it is almost dried. That's when you take it off the gas and cool it, then add it to the mixer for it to be grinded into a very smooth paste. Make sure it's really smooth. You can add some water, and also do not forget the tamarind. Sorry, the camera is tilted. You would have to grind it to a fine smooth paste like this one. On the other hand, you heat a pot, add some oil and the 1/4 thinly diced onion. Apart from this, you would also have to chop the tomato that I showed initially and add to this one. Mix it really well. And then now, my camera skills needs to be enhanced, I know. Now add 1 glass of water and mix everything and keep this to boil. While this is boiling, what I would request you to do is go ahead and chop the brinjal, wash it in clean water, and then soak it in salt water for roughly 10 minutes. Clean it in clean water again, clear water again, and then add this to the boiling mixture. While I'm going to add the brinjal to this mixture, just want to remind you that you can go ahead and increase or decrease the spices as per your taste. Also, add salt as per your taste, because I normally use 1/2 tablespoon of rock salt into this. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. I've mixed the salt into the mixture. I'm going to close the lid to it and let it cook for 10 minutes. I'm going to show how it looks like. Okay, this is how the brinjal looks like now. It's kind of a little mushy. You turn off the gas and then add the mixture, or rather the paste that you initially made using the coconut, right? Now let me add the paste that I initially made to this curry. Consistency is your choice. If you want to eat it for something dry like chapati or idli, you might want to keep it a thicker consistency. If you want to keep it runny, like I do, because it's much more convenient when I eat rice. We normally eat this with rice, right? Mix water on the mixie jar that has the residue ingredient, then add on to this one. Once that is done, I have turned on the gas here. I'm gonna let it boil. Keep adding water as per your convenience until you get that to a proper boiling. Yeah, that's where I added some more water. Now let's get the whole curry rolling. So it's going to go ahead and boil. It will roughly take 10 minutes for the entire process. Now I've added the coriander. Sorry, I forgot to mention it in the beginning of the video. And ta-da! The curry is done. This is one of the most versatile curry that I know. It would go well with any of the food that you want to taste this with. I've been eating it since childhood and I love it. If you ever try it, please let me know in the comment below if you loved it just like I do. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for stopping by. You have yourself a good rest of the day.